Breaking news. There is a very special dinosaur creature that is actually called spinosaurus bird that actually blew fire in the forest and made a very wildfire. This is exactly a news, not a fact, and not even a trail, and not even a prank. Sure. Wear your helmets. We're safe. Everyone is safe. What I wanted is no more crashings. Why did we crash? There is no such thing as we crashed. I knew. I heard the news that there was a giant creature called the spinosaurus bird, and it actually blew fire into our ship and into our flying ship and break it down. So that's how we crashed. I hate crashing. Now, take these babies. You all were gonna feed the babies. We were gonna kill the spinosaurus bird. But it's too dangerous. Okay, we will go out.
No.
We have gone to the Spinosaurus cave. What should we do now? The Spinosaurus bird is sleeping. We must kill it while it's still sleeping. What do you mean? There were gonna be the giant Spinosaurus bird king that will gonna kill us. Okay, we just have to kill the Spinosaurus bird before it comes. Bang, bang, bang. It didn't work. Bang, 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 bang.